This is a tutorial on how to publish your Sprunki mods. Search up itch.io in Google. Click itch.io. Click Register. Create your account. Click Dashboard. Click Create New Project. Name your game. Click Game Mods since you modded Sprunki. Set kind of project as HTML. Click Upload Files. Click the HTML file you downloaded. Wait for it to upload. Click this file will be played in the browser. I recommend you to click full screen button. You can add a description if you want to. Click Public. Click Save and View Page. And here is your game published. You can also edit the theme, but I'll leave it like this. So that is how you publish your Sprunki mod. You can also upload it in Scratch, but it might get taken down. I hope this tutorial helps.